Insert the faucet into the sink's mounting hole. Slide the nut over all the hoses. Press up and rotate to tighten and secure the nut when the nut touches the sink. Attach the pull-out hose to the connector, mount sprayer head on the spout. Release the clamp and open the hose weight. Fit the hose weight on the locator mark of the pull-out hose. Sprayer head retracts back to spout after each use. Attach the cold water inlet hose with blue markings to the cold water supply line under the sink. Attach the hot water inlet hose with red markings to the hot water supply line under the sink.